Saze AI is one of the most exciting new AI tools to hit the market. If you're looking to level up your workflow, this might be the software you've been waiting for. In this Saze AI review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know before you dive in. Stick with me till the end because I'll share how you can test it completely free, and trust me, you'll want to know this before making any decisions. First up, what exactly is Saze AI? It's a cutting-edge software designed to streamline various digital processes using artificial intelligence. Whether you're handling marketing, customer service, or creative tasks, Saze AI is built to adapt to your needs and automate key functions to save you time and money. Think of it as your digital assistant that learns and optimizes based on your unique tasks. That's the promise, an AI that can fit right into your workflow. Now you might be wondering, what makes it different from the hundreds of other AI tools out there? The first thing that stands out is its ease of use. Saze AI offers an intuitive interface that doesn't require a technical background. Whether you're a small business owner or a digital marketing expert, you can quickly integrate this software into your operations. It's designed to be simple yet powerful, ensuring that you don't waste time learning complicated processes. Another key feature is its customization. You can tailor Saze AI to match your specific needs. Whether it's adjusting how it analyzes data or setting up automated responses, the platform lets you tweak the settings so that it delivers results that align perfectly with your business goals. This flexibility is a huge advantage for users who want to fine-tune their AI experience. The third crucial point you need to know is speed and scalability. With Saze AI, the software doesn't just automate your processes, it does so at lightning speed. This is critical for businesses looking to scale quickly without compromising quality. From automated emails to processing large data sets, it handles it all with impressive efficiency, ensuring you can grow without needing more resources. What about support? Well, Saze AI excels in this area too. Unlike many other AI tools that leave you stranded with generic FAQs, this software provides personalized support. Why? If you run into any issues, their customer service team is responsive and knowledgeable, helping you get back on track quickly. In terms of sunk cost, Saze AI is extremely competitive. The platform offers different pricing tiers, which is great because it allows you to choose a plan that fits your budget and needs. Plus, you can test it out for free from the link below, so you get a chance to try it before committing to any payments. Another standout feature is its integration with other tools. If you already use platforms like Google Analytics, Slack, or even Shopify, Saze AI plays well with them. This means you don't have to start from scratch or worry about compatibility issues. You can integrate it seamlessly into your existing tools and continue working as you always have, but with a powerful AI assistant on your side. Finally, what's the real value for here? Beyond just being a tool that automates tasks, Saze AI helps you gain insights and analytics that you can act on. It doesn't just take over tasks, it analyzes patterns, gives you actionable data, and helps you make smarter decisions. That's where the real power of AI lies, the ability to not only automate but also optimize your operations. So, if you're curious about Saze AI, or if you're looking for an AI software to boost your digital marketing and business processes, you can give it a test drive completely free using the link below. After reviewing thousands of AI tools, this one definitely stands out, and I've got a few others in the description that I personally recommend based on my experience. Don't miss out. Check out the link below and try Saze AI for yourself. You won't regret it.